Ever wonder which country publishes the most books? Or, where you can find the absolute cleanest air on the entire planet? Well, get ready. We're about to go on a whirlwind tour of the world, and we're going to uncover the surprising facts that make this planet so incredible. And really, that's what this is all about, right? We're not just looking at a map with borders and names. We're peeling back the layers to find the amazing stories and, honestly, the mind-blowing stats that give each place its own unique character. So let's get started. So here's how we're going to do this. We've broken our journey down into 4 parts. We'll kick things off with the biggest and the best, then we'll pivot to nature's most incredible records, uncover some ancient history that's, believe it or not, still alive today, and then we'll wrap it all up with some weird and wonderful modern facts. First up, we are looking at the world's record breakers. I'm talking the biggest, the tallest, the most prolific. These are the countries that hold some truly mind-boggling titles. Okay. Look at this massive number, 150,000. What is that? Well, that is the capacity of the world's largest stadium. You'll find the Runggrado 1st of May Stadium in Pyongyang, North Korea. I mean, can you even imagine the roar of a crowd that size? And from stadiums to stories, check this out. Every single year, Germany publishes an incredible 94,000 new books. It just solidifies its reputation as a global literary powerhouse. That is a testament to a deep love of reading and ideas. Of course, when it comes to modern superlatives, few things are more iconic than this, the Burj Khalifa in the United Arab Emirates. It isn't just the world's tallest building. It's become this symbol of just how high human ambition can literally reach. All right, let's talk about your morning coffee. The scale of Brazil's production is just staggering. They're not just the biggest player in the coffee game, they are in a league of their own. Seriously, chances are the beans in your cup right now started their journey in Brazil. Okay, so we've seen what humans can build, but what about the incredible records set by nature itself? Now we're shifting our focus to the raw power of the planet, where we're going to find some of the most dramatic and extreme environments you can possibly imagine. When we think of desert nations, Libya might just be the ultimate example. I mean, it's not just a country with a desert. A staggering 90% of its landmass is arid desert. That single fact shapes pretty much every aspect of life there. But you know what? Not all deserts are created equal. Down in Chile, you'll find the Atacama, which is the driest non-polar desert in the entire world. It is so arid, so lifeless, that scientists actually use it to test rovers and equipment for missions to Mars. From the driest place on Earth to the purest, thanks to its super remote location and winds that just sweep across the Southern Ocean, the air in Tasmania, Australia, is scientifically recognized as the cleanest in the world. Just imagine taking a deep breath of that.
Now, Indonesia, what a place. It's a land of incredible scale and unique life. For one, it's the largest country made up entirely of islands. We're talking over 17,000 of them. And on just a few of those islands, you'll find a creature that exists absolutely nowhere else, the legendary Komodo dragon.
All right, let's travel back in time. Some of the things we totally take for granted today have these ancient roots in really surprising places. So now we're going to look at the cornerstones of human civilization that are still shaping our modern world. It's amazing how long some legacies can endure. The world's oldest continually operating university, founded in Morocco way back in 859 AD. The British pound is the oldest currency still in use, with over 1,200 years of history. And then, on the other end of the spectrum, Spain's Sagrada Familia proves some projects just take time. It's been under construction for over a century. You know, country names often tell a fascinating story. When the first European explorers arrived in what is now Argentina, they heard all these legends of a mountain made of pure silver. And that legend gave the country its name, from the Latin word for silver, argentum. Think about it. It's a game of pure strategy, played in every corner of the world, from city parks to world championship halls. And this global obsession, the game of chess, has its origins in ancient India, a truly timeless gift to the world. For our final section, we're jumping right into the modern era. We're going to look at some amazing technological feats, some surprising statistics, and a few wonderfully strange facts that make our world so interesting right now. Okay, check this out. In Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, you will find something pretty unique. There are actually more bicycles than there are people. It is the city that truly runs on pedal power. So, when you think of the space race, two countries probably come to mind, right? Russia was first with the Sputnik satellite, and the United States followed right after. But who was third? You might be surprised. It was Canada, making them a true pioneer in space exploration.
This just goes to show you that history can be made in the most unexpected places. The current 50-star design of the American flag, one of the world's most recognizable symbols, it actually originated as a high school history project. The student, Robert Heft, apparently only got a B-, but his design was chosen by the president. How about that?
In our hyper-connected world, let's be honest, internet speed is power. And in that particular race, South Korea consistently laps the competition. Their world-leading internet speeds have helped fuel a thriving tech industry and a massive online gaming culture.
So we've traveled the globe through some pretty incredible stories, all hidden in plain sight. And it leaves us with just one question. What hidden superlative, what natural extreme, or what quirky little fact makes your corner of the world unique?